Kublai pi baro ngi priang subhai pi chak thup khubor mata ka chat min shon phaj ki khubor ngi pe trai ken ki mat pa kong san Liu Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ya ka gyal sun Jetsun Pema Mother and Child Hospital Bhutan Penbena kaseng BJP man kersha ni ki kertong kaseng NPP ha Meghalaya na ka benta ke election Lok Sabha Penlong kaseng VPP bat RDA ya kejing lap election fight pa hamau langsu lapen la jamin no ya ki lai ngot ki badan kti ban sho pen min saw ya ki ar ngon ki basha kan no men sho no bat rakhe ka Assam Rifles ya ka Veterans Day ban ningkong e chongka ki khubor ki papnia Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ringkat bat Menteri Rang Ba Keri Bhutan Sher Singh Topke mentakasngi kila plia pajpa ya ka gyal sun Jetsun Pema Mother and Child Hospital kabalong ka hospital kabalashna penwandur katkum kajok bamenta hatimpu ya kabala tailing ba ka jingarap jo ka sarkar India kajing te ya kani ka hospital kabashis pa san poaching thia ka gyalsun Jetsun Pema Wangchuk Mother and Child Hospital la ai jingkershan da ke India haki ar teli ki benta katnat ki kambari ka sarkar India kalaong ba ka gyalsun Jetsun Pema Wangchuk Mother and Child Hospital kayeng kum ka nuksa ya ka jiga dei bajan hap deng ke India bat Bhutan hakaliang ka koit ka khia ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kalapan bena ban ai jingkershan shaki kertong jo kaseng NPP na baro atli ki parliamentary constituency kata na Shillong Batura hakane ka jingjit nongmi khmat shaka yeng dor bar thau an Lok Sabha arajar arpusaw kane ka long ka khubor
kaseng BJP ka jala balalam khmat do president kaseng urik manji moment ringkat bat MLA ka South Shillong uba Sanbor Shulai mentas ngi kilalet ya kendo ya national president jong ka NPP ubalong ru menteri rangba ka jala Meghalaya Conrad Sangma secretariat habakran chikilat phai khubor hadian ka jingelang Rick manji moment ulaong baka kinhon ka BJP kala ai ka khubor bala pha de kinong yalam na Delhi cha Conrad Sangma Umuman ula banjor badai ban buat baik kat kum karai jong kaseng BJP.
And leaders decided among themselves. We are the soldiers of the BJP. So whatever the center tell us, we have to abide with that.
So does it mean that?
So whatever the decision, that is all consult. That's all.
Hakawai pat kalyang MLA ka South Shillong uba Sanbor Shulai ulaong bakseng kalong kabalakloy ben ay jingkershanya ka NPP hakajula.
There are seats in other states in the northeast where the BJP has to support the other partners, and here also sincerely we have got the directive that we should work and support the NPP candidate Srimati Amparin Lungbo.
State President ka NPP uba Preston Tensong ulap diang sungobhay karay balashim da kinongilam ka BJP na Delhi pat uong baka seng ka don jingkermen ban job ya baro artli shuki kata na Shillong Batura.
Well, I'm so thankful the decision taken by the highest authority of the BJP. And we really welcome this decision taken, and I'm very sure with the support in both the conferences we will assure that we are coming out victoriously.
Menteri Rangba ka jala Conrad Sangma ubalong ru national president ka NPP ulap diang sungobhay ka rayjong ka BJP ban ay jing kershani ka seng jong hagani ka jingjit nong mikmat sa kayeng dorbar thau ain Lok Sabha.
And obviously the support of any individual or any political party coming and supporting us is a positive thing. So therefore, every drop adds to the ocean, as they call it, and therefore we are very happy, and we are quite hopeful that, as I said, the support that is coming in will have a positive impact on the NPP.
Laban kedohang ni baka NPP keladap ban ai kerteng syai Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo ban yakun na Shillong bat ya ka agat hasang ma natura parliamentary constituency. Laban penken mau baka seng BJP na kajelak keladap ban pha yagi kerteng jong ki khatwing mut ki kertong sya keseng kemia. Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.
Kaseng Voice of People Party VPP but ka Regional Democratic Alliance RDA kabadai kaseng kabat sunrop lang hapadeng ka United Democratic Party UDP but ka Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP hinin kasngi kila penlong ya kachingalap election patpa hakashnong maulangsu kabahap haramrai jerngam Assembly Constituency jongka West Khasi Hills District hakane kachingalam patpa President ka VPP uba Arden Miller Basayamot ula banjur halor ke rukom trekam bat kathong jong ka VPP nak benta ke jela ke bakhut bat ke balat ne ki kam bamsap ukur tong ka RDA na Shillong parliamentary seat uba Robert Jun Kharjaran ringkat bat president ka UDP uba Medba Lingdo bat uhe ka seng HSPDP uba KP Pangyang kilapa ni ka Jingisha na ki patpa bat kular bakin long ka sur ka bajam na ka benta ki priyo jong ka rilom Khasi jantia bat banyakran ni ki mat ki basa teng
yang melanta banyada bantunya pensa yang kisnap ke bakar pang jeni yang merik melanta bankentu yang hari bakajak ru jeni hakilan barok let hakilan kisan bujang pri pensyang larin berkhat ba bala nabi yahat yang ki mat ki jura ki bana kaleng jeni utarwa khmat jompi sowajib yani dakaba punyam ni itu padam na persa yang hakadur juga bom
ki pulet ki lakem no ya lain ngot ki brew halor ka kenton baki penshit ekipat ba ka balayalam sya ka jing sha sho pen mensa jong ki argot ki brew halor ka jing no baki dei ki men sho no hakashnong mauthlong mensan ka bahap ha so yong police station mentakasngi ya kini ki lain ngot ki bala sha kem la tep da uba skerling pertu lai pandai snem uba try borling do lai postnem bat uba kentiu nam pertu apa prasnem kereta Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills Ritu Raj Ravi uloong baya kini ki laingot lakem na kasnong mauthlong hakamia jong kasngi ningkong baladem uloong bala penla jamin yaki hadian kacing toket kababnya bala penlong hakajan mit jong kasngi baar laban penken mau ba upat bhor upadan kumba arspa hadulai spa ngut AA kila sho penmensaw ya uba Shining Star lauring nyang lai penyau snem kereta bat uba iso lang khar thang mau arpho snem kereta halor ka jing kenno pakidai ki men sho no
we have put multiple sections because it is an unlawful assembly and they jointly committed an atrocious act. So in that regard we had detained 3 people and we released them on bail bond after interrogating them. Our main focus will be the people who are the main conspirators, the main people who were the instigators and the people who actually participated in the crime.
Ka Sentinel jong ka North East Assam Rifles mentakasngi ka larakhe ya ka Assam Rifles Veterans Day hakasien ka Beningkong haka headquarter jong ka halat kor Shillong hakani kasngi palat chispa ngot ki sipai ki bala shong that ki layadon lang hakatei ka jingrakhe ka medical unit jong ka Assam Rifles kala penlong ya ka jing sumar ne ka free medical camp shu director general jong ka Assam Rifles bat ubalong ru president jong ka ARWA ulasa mi ki bor banyarap ya ka borio sngo la sam ru ya ki wheelchair bat ki dengdo habakran hakajing yalang director general jong ka Assam Rifles lieutenant general PC Nair PVSM AVSM VSM PhD uloong ba ompat ju rakhe ya kum kani kasngi kumta ularai badai ban rakhe no mentakasngi ya ka Veterans Day bankin penkup burom ya ki sipai bala shong than bat nado menta ka arpulai tarik ulber on rakhe ya ka kum ka Assam Rifles Veterans Day la ban kedau baga Assam Rifles kadan haduk kumpa shilak shi hajar shi
इनसे संपर्क करेंगे और अनेक कार्यक्रम आयोजित करेंगे। मुझे ये बताते हुए खुशी हो रही है कि आज पूरे देश में हर ISR क्षेत्र में एयर वेपन डे मनाया जा रहा है और नॉर्थ ईस्ट में कुल 23 लोकेशन में हमारे यूनिट्स और कंपनी ऑपरेटिंग बेस से कई अधिकारी और जवान हमारे एक सर्विसमैन से मिल रहे हैं।
Meghalaya kalakring ya kinang wan jengok kai bat kinang wan kai ban mat iki jingbam ki baper bat sakhi ya ki riti dostur jong kajala katnat ki kam jengok kai jong ka sarkar Meghalaya kala penlong ya ka limpung Hills on a Plate Food Fiesta ka balong ka limpung ban mat ya ki jingbam baper jong kajala Meghalaya bat kumju ru ya ki riti dostur jong kajala ya ka ba la penlong Howard's Lake Shillong Chief Secretary ka Meghalaya iba DP walang ila ple patba ya kanega limpung nen kesngi habakran ha kajing yalang Chief Secretary ula ayaro ya katnat ki kam jingok kai ka balashim ya kasen jam ban penslori ki breu bakinwan banishim banta ha katega limpung ha ka ba lala ban sakhi ya ki sapshat jingshat jung ki breu ka jala
Culture, let us commit to supporting local farmers, to embracing slow and organic food, and to preserving the culinary heritage of this beautiful region. I'm very happy that Meghalaya Tourism has encouraged this festival as given by the introduction, and I'm sure that in a few years' time we will see the local chefs come up to the national standards.
Katanat Public Head Engineering Jongka Sarkar Meghalaya hinen kesngi kala rakhe yaka World Water Day arajar arpusau ha ususutham auditorium chlong halor kapang Water for Peace haba ai jingkran hakane ka program kum ukongsan uba DP walang Chief Secretary ula banjur halor ka jinglong kongsan jongko ha ka jingim jongi ki breu bat baka benta jongka ha ka ban sandur yaka suk kesan bat kaspa kapau kapang preng mentau snem Water for Peace kakentu ya iwei pa iwei ban snotho ya ka jinglong kongsan jongko ha ka ban kentiu ya ka jinge trailang bat ka jinge snotho jingmut bat ka roi kapar ka bayai ne ulamat phang halor ki banta pa kongsan jong ka scheme Jal Jeevan Mission ha ka ban penyo ya ka umbam umdi ka bakhu ya baro ka office jong katnat PHE Mairang ru kala rakhe ya kani kasngi Hamadan Mot Tirot Singh Mission khanang ban pinsngotho ya ki breu bat ki samla purle shaphang ka jinglong kongsan jong ko man pinne pansa pat panyada ya ki telong
Significance of water in our lives and its role as a catalyst for peace and prosperity. This year's theme, Water for Peace, resonates very deeply with all of us, urging us to recognize the vital importance of water in fostering cooperation, harmony, and sustainable development. We will delve into the relevance of this theme, particularly in the context of Meghalaya, and explore how initiatives like the Jal Jeevan Mission, that is JJM, are instrumental in ensuring access to clean water for all of us.
Kidikot ka Green Tech Foundation mentakasngi kilalum ya kinyut ki pasakut haka Terminal Point Interceptor ya ka bakaseng kalabo hakawa umkra hajanjaya madan wiking. Kaseng kelasdang ya ka jingpun khut ya kawa umkra haka sau tarik mentau benai. Chairman jong kaseng uba H Pansiu Dor Nonglang uloong bakilada pansei hadu arpau ton kinyut mentakasngi. Kilada pansei kumbah nyau ton kinyut haka khandai tarik mentau benai. Hadian kini ki dekot jong kaseng kilapen ya khlat ya kinyut ki baput bat ki bamput ula banjur baka jing pen khoj ya kawa umkra kadai tang ka jing persang namar baka project ban pen khoj pura ya kawa umkra kan chimpor hadu nriu ne nyusnem uba nonglang ula pen pau baka ne ka jing persang ban pen khoj ya kani kawa hadu menta ka long ka basai so
katu ka khandai tarik jong umaj tang hadin ndu nyosngi ngilif hak khandai tarik kumban nyoton unyut nang ni te hadin ka khandai tarik menta ngisawan ban live menta bat nganong yepi menta minimum unyut ubangi ngila lift chitang ban bangsa sakendiat unum duna yakar khotan rei kumka environment NGO ngim ju encourage ba phi cleaning drive people ko je gino ban should dispose ki disposal center ngile kumno ngi segregate je gini ki waste menta ki recyclable waste ki non recyclable waste ba di gini ki recyclable waste ki ba ki nyut ki ba ki bilor ge ki bala bandi ngi aye gini ki waste speaker
mentapat ngini pet ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng hasilong ka jing shet ka long khat pra 0.6 degree celsius ba ka jing kriat ka long pra degree celsius ka jing ngam ka haw ka long san pusan na ka shi spa man step ba nyu pu a na ka shi spa chan mien kan don ka jing hap slap ka ba mulu mala habon ki chaka shawon poi shake bakut chaka thup kubor ngini pet piang sai shi sien ye kini ki mat pa kong san Menteri Rang Badu Kariu Narendra Modi ya ka Gyal Sun Jatsun Pema Mother and Child Hospital ha Bhutan Penbena keseng BJP ban Kershan ya ki kurtong keseng NPP ha Meghalaya na ka benta ke election syaka Lok Sabha Penlong keseng VPP bat RTA ya ka jingelap election patpa Hamadan Hamau Langsu Lapna jamin no ikilai ngot ki badan keti ban syok pen mensaw ya ki ar ngot ki basyak kenok mensyok no Bat rakhe ke Assam Rifles ya ke Veterans Day peningkong jongka Te parlok kat tungi lapoi syaka bakut jongka thup kubor jingi mata ke janmin Hadu bangin daya syam yang wat pila syai kesngi kublai pi baro